What's going on, everyone? Got a 2018 BMW X5 here. We're going to reset the maintenance reminders on this. Right now I got the car off, and you're going to keep your foot off the brake, and we're going to hit the engine start stop button one time. Everything up, and see right here it says service due. We're going to reset that, okay? And all we have to do now is go over to this button here, press and hold it down. So the air conditioner is blowing in our face now. I'll turn that off here in a second. And then we will get the options for resetting the services. Okay, so right now this says you can reset the reset this brake pads if you want. Now we're gonna hit this button and we're gonna go through the different services. Okay, so sorry, got all blurry. We're gonna reset the oil change since we just reset. We just changed the oil, and so all we got to do is press and hold this down on engine oil. Unless you want to reset, we're gonna let go and press it again. Okay, this is reset in progress. Okay, and we are good to go. All right, that's how you reset the maintenance reminders in a 2018 BMW X5.